Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a cover image in the Pinterest application to your profile. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest app. Once I'm in the app, what I'll have to do is click on the saved option at the bottom, and then you have these options right here. What you can do is click on the three dots at the top. Now you have this option to add a cover image. You have to click on it, and now it opens up your gallery, and now you can choose whatever pic you want. So I will select a picture and then put it. I'll put this picture of Zenitsu and then crop it accordingly. Once that's done, I'll click on done, and now you have this option uh, to update your profile cover. So you have to click on update. As you can see, it's now sending that picture. It will load up faster if you have a faster internet connection. So as you can see, the profile cover is updated now, and you can see here my cover image there. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.